Hi friends, Alexis Campbell here at the Horn Farm Center. I am in front of our 1800s historic farmhouse building, which, as many of you know, in 2021 was struck by lightning and damaged by fire. And one of the questions we hear a lot is, what's going on with the farmhouse? When are you guys going to rebuild? And I'm excited to say that after 3 challenging, long years of planning, of recovering, of fundraising, we are finally a few months away from starting construction on our new education center. We are going to need your help to get there. Horn Farm Center has always been a grassroots organization. Over the past 20 years, our focus has really been on stewarding this land and educating our community. This is the first time that a large capital project like this has been part of our work, and it really hasn't been easy for us. Since the fire, it took a lot of time. It took some time to do some planning. It took time to recover our operations. It took time to care for and protect the building. And most of all, I think the planning really is what we spent a lot of time trying to design something that would better serve our community after this tragic incident. What's really been amazing to me in those challenging 3 years at the Horn Farm is all of you. All that you poured into our work, into our mission, into the land, into our community. I was really just blown away with what we were able to accomplish without a building. Together, since the fire, we've planted 17,000 trees here at the Horn Farm. We trained 101 students in our signature training programs. We engaged 2,500 program participants and hosted over 800 volunteers in the past 3 years. We accomplished all of this and more without a building. Imagine what we can do when our new education center is complete. The building will be accessible, it'll be comfortable, and we'll be able to serve communities that we haven't been able to serve before, including children, which was probably what we're most excited about, is for the first time, we'll be able to offer regular K-12 education here at the Horn Farm. With a new energy-efficient classroom and office spaces for our staff, we expect to double the number of participants in our educational programs annually. Again, the Horn Farm Center is a grassroots organization. It was founded by people like you who believe in our mission and our work here on the land. This isn't just about building a building. It's about ensuring there will always be a place in our community where we can reconnect with the land, ourselves, and one another. So how can you help? Thanks to the support of our community, we've been able to raise over $900,000 so far for this project, and we have $200,000 more to go to pay for the construction portion of the project. So, of course, we would love your financial support if you're able to give it. If you're not able to give it, there are some other ways that you can help. You can connect us with a local business who does sponsorships or contributes financially. Another way is maybe to talk to your friends and your neighbors. Are there other people in your community who care about the Horn Farm in the way that you do, that you think maybe would support our work and support this project? We're so grateful to our community here at the Horn Farm Center, and we know with your support that we will be able to build this new education center that will serve our community for generations to come.